Hi everyone, today we are going to see what is ls command do in Linux. So first of all, I am typing a ls, press enter. ls stands for list and it will list all the files and directory which is present in the current directory. So then I am typing a ls space -l, l stands for long listing and it's the option. Pressing enter, it will list all the permissions and the file details and many more in this command. Then I am going for to do ls-lh. H stands for human readable. It will give us the output like in KB, MB and so on. Then I am to do ls space -r. Capital R stands for the recursive and ls space -small r will the reverse the your file structure. Then I am going to do ls space -s. S will the sort the your file structure. Then I am going to do ls space -al. A stands for hidden. Then it will list the hidden files in your current directories. I'm clearing the scene, and this is all about the ls command. Thank you so much.